I'm Derek from Hoods Associates Business Computers. If you need somebody to manage your computers, if you want to outsource your IT to someone, consider giving me a call at 083 463 7434. I am a generalist. I deal with many areas from the hardware, cabling, networks, servers, workstations, upgrades, repairs, as well as specializing in many areas. For example, in marketing, in online SEO, that's search engine optimization. Here we see Hangout Millionaire is one of the most advanced software from Australia. It's Australian based for ranking websites, and it's connected to a network of a blog network, and goes into to many of the social media platforms, and it's all interrelated and interconnected, and it's very powerful for ranking websites as well as marketing products and marketing your services throughout the web. Here on the right you see some of the hardware which I supply. This is from a national supplier. I deal also with local suppliers. For example, if you look at notebooks, I'm just going to click on that, and Hewlett Packard, and look at the 250 series, and this will give you the notebooks which are available. And if you click on check stock, it will tell you whether this is available or not, and you can get more information. And so this is with tablets, desktop computers, components, external storage, monitors, TVs, software, printers and imaging, audio products, and basically anything, networking, servers, workstations, point of sale even. So this is a hardware which I source. And let me just take you to one of the services, one of the areas which I specialize in is with web development, web design and web development. Web development more is to do with databases and more the back end, such as with Rails as the framework, but the front end is more done through Bootstrap. It is mobile friendly, and this is a quick example of Bootstrap. This is a software which allows you to put together something very quickly. It's basically a skeleton. You put a scaffolding together and then you edit it in, say, Dreamweaver. For example, if I were to go to under sections and I want to put a navigation, I can quickly just put a header and just drag it here, and I'm just going to invert the color scheme there. And if I go further down here, looking at the structure, I would just say just put 3 columns. I'm just going to drag it here, and say I want to put 2 columns underneath that, and then maybe to put a footer here. So here we see sort of a page. I'm going to go to components, and say we want to put a table in one of this, in this column here, and a well in this column. So we see our web page can just be quickly put together. And I'm just looking here with the layout, and we see here underneath the code in HTML, which you can just copy and paste into Dreamweaver, and here's the CSS here underneath. We can recopy it and paste it. But this is really a quick way to put together a website using Bootstrap. An example of a website like this is one which I did here. This is in Bootstrap, and it's mobile friendly, and it's just very cleanly written. The code's very clean, and it's you can see that you can put different things here. That's Bootstrap. But if you have need of IT services, or somebody, a virtual CIO, somebody to run your operations, if you're a medium-sized or even a large-sized business, you've got a number of computers, and instead of employing somebody, you want to rather outsource, consider giving me a call at 083 463 7434. Or if you know of somebody that has need of IT services, whether big or small, if you know somebody that's looking for a computer, or somebody who has a virus and they need somebody to remove it properly, I've gone in depth with the removal of viruses, not only with the automated and the semi-automated ways of removal, but also the manual ways of removal with people such as Mark Ravinovich from Microsoft. I've looked into the ways which you can remove even zero-day viruses. So if you come across anybody that has IT problems and needs somebody that gives good service and who's efficient and has been doing this for quite a number of years, for 18 plus years, give me a call on 083 463 7434 or my landline 043 721 1821. I do have a workshop with anti-static mats and everything from that side. So I can do the work at my office, or I can come to your office and do work on site. Just give me a call on those numbers. My cell is the best number, 083 463 7434. Thank you for your time.